Welcome to the Stained Glass Studio this morning. I just wanted to tell you something so exciting. So this is the third in a series that I have been working on for a client. David watches a video that is about some guys who work on barns. They take them all apart and they put them all back together again somewhere else. And when they come to taking the last log off, they say, "Last log." So I have kind of borrowed that. And so when I am ready to put in the very last piece in a window, I say, "Last log."
So here's Greg gluing up the frame. It's a custom frame and the windows are set right inside the frame, and he's putting the glue on these tenons so that he can just place them right in there together. So it's a pretty technical part of the construction. He's already done all the hard part, by figuring out where the tenons needed to be and where the mortises needed to go. And so now he just has to, get that glue in there, and then he's going to clamp them up using those pipe clamps that he's got. So sure is great to have Greg help us out on completion of these types of projects. I mean, we can do them, but oh boy, it sure is nice to have somebody's help. Greg's been helping us a lot lately.
Switch sides.
So after he got it all glued together and clamped and let it dry, now he's adding a little bit of stain to give it just the right color for the finished product. And now you got to get a picture of your final work.
Hey.
Oh, it looks like this was between the staining and the gluing.
Type bond 3. I think about the type bond 2 now that I'm looking at it.
But now we go to the home where it's going in a window. Now this window is in between a second story room and an overlook that goes way down. And so this is just a beautiful piece to help make the final part of the home just look fabulous. Well, we hope that you had a great Thanksgiving, or you're going to have one, and we appreciate the fact that you joined us to see this little short video. We love having you with us, and we'll talk to you next time.